just doing a quick video to show you what the inside of my packed suitcase looks like. I have my packing cube that has my dresses, bathing suit, etc. Packing cube for my personal items. Packing cube under here that has all of my clothes for shore excursions. This is a travel safe from Pack Safe. It's very cool. You put your items in there like your wallet, phone, etc., and it attaches to any immovable object. You lock it, and that way no one can just take your stuff. For example, you'd use it if you go to the beach. You would attach it to a couple of lounge chairs so that your things are safe while you go in the water. Anyway, this is what everything looks like that I packed in the packing cubes.